Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're going to be discussing updates regarding Thai visas and immigration as of the time of the posting of this video. One of the things that I find interesting in this past year is serious crackdowns have been undertaken by Thai immigration authorities, and there's been another recent one that's come to my attention since the last one of these videos I did about a week, 10 days ago. But that being said, this time in this update, I actually want to go a little bit further into the statistics surrounding this, and I also want to go into the numbers we're talking about with respect to deportations that have occurred as a result of these crackdowns. So, recent article from ThaiResidents.com, that's Thai Residents as in Residents.com. The title of this article is 56 Illegal Foreigners Held in New Sweep. And again, I'm not so much making this video to comment on yet another immigration crackdown. That we've had, probably for those who keep track of this channel, you might argue it's been sort of ad nauseum at this point. But again, I want to focus on the stats that we can pick up from this article. Quoting directly, tourist police mounted their 17th X-ray outlaw foreigner drive across the country last night and netted a total of 56 people from various countries for overstaying and illegal entry. 17. They've done 17 of these. As I've gone into in another video, or many other videos on this channel, I don't think that this is stopping anytime soon. So I think that immigration crackdowns, at least for the foreseeable future, are going to be something that's just going to continue happening. So during, quoting directly, but maybe more to paraphrase, 74 targeted places nationwide, including international schools, language institutes, general schools, and other sites. So first of all, I guess what I'm trying to get to the point of here, these crackdowns are happening in a very broad way. It's not a situation where, oh, okay, you just don't hang out in that area, or maybe you don't go to that place. No, they're hitting multiple different venues simultaneously. 74 places raided simultaneously. That is, from a logistical standpoint, that is a substantial undertaking. So they're very serious about this. This is not something to just sort of dismiss. Quoting further, the important suspect, and he's named in this article, but I'm not going to name him, from Germany, who overstayed for 3,304 days in North Nakhon Sawan province. The reason I bring this up, some of these folks are not the most innocent of actors when it comes to overstay here in the kingdom. And as I discussed some years ago, there were warnings given about the blacklisting and that people needed to get, in status. 3,304 days, that's almost 10 years in overstay. Okay, so, I'm not saying that these raids are good or bad, but what I am saying is somebody that's been here 10 years in overstay, it's pretty hard to argue, that A, you weren't put on notice of it, and B, that you shouldn't have done something about it. Okay, again, back to the statistics though. Quoting further, in the 31 such sweeps that have been launched so far, 3,947 targeted areas were searched and 1,724 suspects arrested. So these are pretty significant numbers. And again, I don't foresee this changing. I don't foresee them laying off with respect to these raids. In fact, if anything, I think that they're encouraged by these numbers, the immigration authorities, and I think they're going to continue with these raids, at least until they feel that they've pretty much cleared out the substantial overstayers. Again, somebody who's been here for nearly 10 years in overstay, that's somebody that they were looking for. That's exactly why they're running these operations. Those are the exact kind of people they're targeting. Now, it is unfortunate, the odd person that gets caught up in one of these that's like a couple of days in overstay and gets hit with the 5-year bar by being arrested in the country that was implemented under the blacklisting rules. That is an unfortunate set of circumstances, and I can't help but sympathize with an individual put in that position. But somebody who's been here 3,304 days without getting their visa sorted out, that's somebody who either didn't care or was just, I would argue, willfully flaunting the law. So those who are watching this video, I think it's a good time. If you're on overstay, really seriously consider ways to get it fixed, or if you're not, or just leave to preclude getting arrested, because I suspect this guy is probably going to be detained for at least some period of time before being deported. All of that's an unpleasant experience. The thing to take away from this video, just try to get your visa in order and keep it in order and keep it maintained throughout your stay here in the kingdom.